Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore some of the world's largest man-made wonders, amazing buildings and structures made by humans. Let's discover how big and incredible they are. Burj Khalifa, tallest building. The Burj Khalifa in Dubai is the tallest building in the world. It is so tall that you can see amazing views from the clouds above the city. Great Wall of China. Longest wall. The Great Wall of China is one of the longest walls ever built by humans. It was made long ago to protect China from enemies and stretches across mountains and deserts. Statue of Unity. Largest statue. The Statue of Unity in India is the tallest statue in the world. It was built to honor Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and stands taller than many buildings. Three Gorges Dam, largest dam. The Three Gorges Dam in China is one of the biggest dams in the world. It helps produce electricity and controls flooding from the Yangtze River. King Fahd International Airport. Largest airport by area, King Fahd International Airport in Saudi Arabia is the world's largest airport by land area. The airport is so huge that it covers more space than some cities. The Narendra Modi Stadium, India. The Narendra Modi Stadium in India is the largest stadium in the world by seating capacity. It can hold more than 130,000 people and is mainly used for exciting cricket matches and big events. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.